You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this character from Greek mythology. If you want to learn how to pronounce the name of her husband, stay tuned, and more characters, stay tuned. I've got more videos. English pronunciation here. Alcmene. Now, in Greek, I believe it be said more as Alcmene, but in English it's pronounced Alcmene. How to pronounce English pronunciation Alcmene. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.